What's going on, guys? Hilltown here. So my grill, I went to use it the other night and I turned the gas on, hit the igniter button. It's an electronic ignition. It's supposed to just keep clicking until it fires. Didn't do anything. So I thought the battery was toast. I put another battery in it and still didn't work. Held the button and I might get one click every 10 seconds or something like that. So I'm going to take it apart today. I'm hoping it's just a corrosion issue in the electronic ignition. If it's not, I'm going to have to replace it. Let's get this thing apart. First things first, let's get this knob off of here. I have a feeling there's some water down in there because this was a brand new battery the other day. And you can see it's already got some rust discoloration on it. The contacts inside the switch are a little funky, but I don't think that's the issue. Spin this off. Okay, we're gonna kind of wing it here. The only access panel I see to get at that module is from underneath, so let me give you guys a different camera angle. We'll take these screws out and see if we can remove the module. Oh, don't tell me I stripped that. Oh, you mother. I think I foobarred the head of this screw, but let's... Oh man, that thing's tight. Okay, let's take a look-see at this. I think what happens is you shove this access panel forward, then it pulls out. Like so. Probably can't see up in there very well, but I'm just going to push this ignition through and let it drop down. So there you go. Which is kind of nice though, they're all color coded, so I don't need to mark anything. Here's the module. I'm just going to open this thing up to make sure it's not something obvious in there before I go ahead and replace this. I just looked online for them. I think the website was grillparts.com or something like that. They're like 15 bucks, so it's not crazy. And I'm fairly certain this is what's ailing this thing. Alright guys, it's now a week later, and it turned out that ignition module I pulled out of the grill was a sealed unit. I couldn't get it apart. So I picked up a new one online through grillparts.com. As you can tell, it's identical. And they even sent a koozie. So for 15 bucks I got the part, free koozie, and $100 wine voucher to nakedwines.com, whatever that is. I'm not a wine drinker, so that's going to go unused. So let's pop this back in and hopefully this solves our problem. It's a rainy, nasty day today, but I wanted to get this done, so we're going to deal. Put the green wire with the green wire, or the green plug. These are all snarled up on me. Put the blue with the blue. Yellow with the yellow. And the black with the black. Alright. Now, let's get this thing up in here. I can remember how the heck that went. Let's see. Did it go like that? Did it go like... Well, just like this. This little heat shield thing goes to the right. Get my retaining nut. Just hand tighten that. You don't need to go gorilla on it. Okay, got our battery in place and our button. Let's put our button on. This is threaded, so it threads right onto the ignition module. So I'm going to Okay, now the access panel goes back in. Alright guys, the brand new spanky module's in place, grill's all back together. Let's turn on the gas, see if she wants to light. Just like new. I want to thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.